This is Kaylee.
And Skyly.
And by the end of this video, you should know the answers to these two questions. How do you think our solar system began?
A bunch of gas in space made a star, and then planets.
Where do you think planets came from, Mr. Karp?
I think they came from an original massive core at the center of the universe.
How do you think planets are formed?
I just don't know.
I don't think so.
So what is a planet?
By definition, a planet must orbit a star in our cosmic neighborhood, the Sun. It must be big enough to have enough gravity to force it into a spherical shape, and it must be big enough that its gravity cleared away any other objects of a similar size near its orbit around the Sun.
There was a disk of dust and particles called the solar nebula. Particles clumped together due to gravity, creating planetesimals, which are rock fragments combined. The high temperatures in the solar system pushed gas planets to the back, resulting in rocky planets closest to the Sun.
After the nebula was formed, something happened. Scientists believe a supernova could have exploded, or a star passing might have changed the gravity. Whatever it was, it created a pressure. Hydrogen atoms came in contact with one another and produced helium, starting the birth of a new star, our Sun. The circle represents the nebula. Soon in the center, a sun is formed. Over more time, the nebula of dust and particles begins to form planets. Due to the sun's gravitational pull on the planets begin to orbit the sun.
This is the equation to solve for Earth's gravitational field. The gravitational field strength is equal to the gravitational constant times the mass of the Earth over distance from the center of the Earth squared. The value of r, which is the radius of the Earth, is 6.38 times 10 to the 6th. The gravitational constant is equal to 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11th. The mass of Earth is 5.98 times 10 to the 24th. This equation then translates to 3.98 times 10 to the 14th over 40.7044 times 10 to the 12th. This then results in 0.9799 times 10, which also translates to
One equation you can use is to find velocity. The equation for this is 2 pi r over t, t being the 365 days converted to seconds. Here is an equation you can use to find the centripetal force for the Earth orbiting around the Sun. We hoped you learned something. Thank you for watching. See you next time.